let us see past perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus had been plus V4 plus object. Okay. As we said, V4 means V1 plus inform. Right? So, subject had been plus V4, that means V1 plus inform plus object. This is the structure. Let's see this condition. For an action before a certain point of time in the past and continued up to that time. Okay. For an action before a certain point of time in the past and continued up to that time. Okay. Both are past actions, but it began in the very past and it was continued up to that time. Okay. Let us see examples. I had been living in Srikakulam for 8 years before I got job. See, I had been living in Srikakulam for 8 years before I got job. That means now I am not staying in that place. I am staying in other place. Okay. Before 8 years. Okay. I had been living in Srikakulam before I got the job. Okay. Before I got the job and 8 years ago. Okay. So this had been living. And one more. At that time, he had been writing a novel for 2 months. Okay. At that time, past action. In that past action, it was sometime continued. So, had been writing for 2 months. Okay, and past perfect continuous, you have to use that. And when I saw him, he had been waiting for his friend over and half an hour. Okay, this is also past perfect continuous tense. These are the examples.